Howdy, howdy. The old Balanoposthitis, the exploding willy syndrome. Yeah, man, does it make some wrecks of some willies on some bulls, that's for sure. So I've got a pretty cool one here. We started doing the surgery on them to try to repair them. These guys, they get pretty bad pretty quick, and then the bulls just keep stepping on them and traumatizing them, and they get pretty nasty. And these guys are about a 10-hour drive from home. So I went up, looked at these couple of bulls for them and said, ooh, I don't know if I can tackle these. They're pretty severe, but they gave me the go-ahead. So this fella, I started working on him, and the urethra and the prepuce was pretty shallow on the front end of that prepuce. And as I got that stitched up, I got to thinking, hey, I wonder if I could do kind of a modified repair on this using the calicrate bander. You know, one of my favorite tools in the old toolbox. And yeah, so boy, it was a mess, but we got through it. And yeah, we got some follow-up photos of the old boys. So yeah, let's see how we go. Enjoy. Howdy. This is what you call a shit show. All right, so this guy's got an absolute hamburger penis. And this is, you can feel his penis in here. This is his prepuce. There's all this junk and swollen stuff on the background. So what we've done is we've gone and stitched this side of the prepuce. And now I'm gonna come in with a calicrate bander and band this part. Hope this will fall off and we'll be able to still collect semen from him. If we're super lucky, you might even be able to get his willy out, but they'll be able to wee out of this and hopefully ejaculate out of it. So now we're gonna put a calicrate bander on there. Ooh, crazy idea. All right, you got the bander? You seen these?
No, I haven't seen them. You're out.
Developed by a guy named John Calicrate. Feedlotter in Kansas or Colorado, one of the two. They're designed for castrating calves, but I very rarely use it for that. Oh boy. Can you grab this party penis for me? Thanks.
So is that just where you cut it, you put that in? Or just below it?
Below it, yep. So that he can wee out of there. Goddamn dog. I reckon I'm gonna cut the rest of that prepuce back a little bit. Surgical area will be above it. There's our area. Yep, that's us there. So we set that there. Thank you. No. There's our hole right above it.
So then eventually that'll just die off and drop off itself?
Yeah. Now what I don't want to do is kick it and damage our surgery. So I'm wondering about lopping all that off. Which is probably a pretty good idea. And I think the rest of that will stay. That band won't pop off. As you can see, it like trying to get this
into something sensible would have been really difficult. That scar tissue. Should be able to wee out of that incision that we've made. I reckon I'll open that up too, just to make things a bit easier for him. Can't feel that, buddy. There's our hole. A wee out of that. And we'll have a new penis. But you can imagine trying to stitch this stuff back into something with a semblance to try to rebuild the prepuce, which is right there. That's where his penis used to come out of, right there. That little tiny window there. We're gonna have a win? We're gonna have a win. I wanna go throw this at football.
Get him. Getting himself all pretty for the girls. Hanging on the fence line.